How are Lure cups different? Lure cups are the best on the market. Lure cups are made from medical grade silicone that go through a lot of testing to ensure that they are safe to be used on the body. Lure cups are transparent because they are made from good medical grade silicone. Other cups are typically made from chemicals and fillers that are more inexpensive and result in a more cloudy and rigid look and feel of the cup. Lure cups, because they are made from medical grade silicone, are going to stand the test of time, and they will hold up to rigorous use, daily use, weekly use, even yearly use without breaking down. Other cups that are not made from medical grade silicone will break down easily, they will become cloudy and even more rigid as time goes on. Lure cups come with a manufacturer's warranty. Lure cups also come with educational content, videos, and PDFs to help you safely use the cups and reduce pain and improve function. Lure cups also have a very knowledgeable customer support system that helps you anytime you need it.